Welcome to Module 2, Lesson 2, Causality and Characterization. Learning goals for this lesson include understanding how dialogue propels action and reveals details about characters, and to learn characteristics of dialogue in written work as well as in drama. What is dialogue? Well, dialogue is the conversation between two or more characters. Its purpose is to move the plot of the story forward and to help reveal characters to the reader. It's an important element of stories, novels, plays, and more. What does dialogue look like? Well, in its written form, dialogue is punctuated within quotation marks. Look at this example from an excerpt in A Wrinkle in Time. Feel free to pause the video so that you can read it. Here is an example where the author intertwines scene description with dialogue, and in doing so, the reader is able to gather important details about both Calvin and Meg's character. For example, Calvin is happy with being different, although he pretends that he isn't different at all. And we learn that Meg is the opposite of Calvin. She doesn't like being different, although she doesn't simply want to be like everyone else either. Let's take a look at what dialogue looks like in drama. Well, what is drama? Drama is a work of literature meant to be performed for an audience by actors. And in drama, though, dialogue appears without quotation marks. Let's look at characteristics of drama. In drama, there's a script. In that script are stage directions, which are most often written in italics. In the script, you can also find dialogue. Dialogue can also include soliloquies or monologues. This is where one character in a play speaks his or her thoughts and feelings aloud on stage. And then another characteristic of drama includes acts and scenes. When looking at drama in its written form, the stage directions will usually appear in italics and describe the setting. Then you also have characters tags. These are normally the names of the characters in bold, and they help the reader determine who is speaking. These character tags are then followed by the dialogue lines that the characters speak. And these stage directions tell the actors how to move and speak. This is the end of Module 2, Lesson 2.